Hello everyone. In last video we talk about the unit and what is the use of mathematics in physics. So it is the continuation of that video. So we are going in that video we talk about seven fundamental units which are written here: length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, amounts of substance, luminous intensity. So these are the name of unit and these are the symbols. So we will use these fundamental unit or base unit to derive all other physical quantities. So before that, this base unit should have two properties. One is invariability, where this defined base unit should not vary with person to person or to place. It should be constant so that everyone can use. Otherwise, as in our ancient time, people were using their step as a unit for length, but in that case, it may vary person to person. Like someone is taking bigger step, then the unit is bigger as compared to someone who is taking some smaller step. Similarly, if someone is taking for the length measurement is hand from tip of elbow to tip of middle finger, then it is also varying person to person. So we need a base unit which is constant. It should not vary. And another property is availability. So it should be available to everyone so that people can use it. It should not be like that it is only available to a particular place and a particular place person can use it. Today we will discuss briefly how to define these fundamental units. So there are 7 base units. We are going to discuss one by one how to define these units. So as we considering these previous two properties, we are going to decide this fundamental unit. So first one is length. So as we know from this physics that the speed of light is constant everywhere. So its speed is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So approximately this much. So we will take 1 meter as 1 meter distance or length. It will be the distance traveled by light with at 3 into 10 power 8 second. With this time, how much distance travel light is that 1 meter distance. But in experiment it has shown that exact length, exact distance traveled by the light, it is not exactly 3 into 10 to the power 8. It is approximately like 299,792 458 meter per second. This is the exact distance. Next one is, this was for length, this is for mass. Next is mass. So this mass is defined as in kg, and its base 1 unit mass is defined by the platinum platinum, iridium alloy, platinum, iridium alloy, platinum and iridium alloy is placed, is made of platinum and iridium of 1 kg, and it is placed in International Bureau of Weight and Measurement. In that place it is there. So that is our base unit reference. So that will be the 1 kg. With that we compare other quantities. And next is time. So to define 1 second as our time unit is second, we consider the cesium atom. Cesium atom, its a chemical symbol is CeS. Cesium atom 133. This is the mass of cesium atom. This atom has when it is in ground state, there is 2 hyperfine level at ground state, and when there is electron in ground state and it get excited and de-excited, at that time de-excitation, there is a radiation emitted by that atom, and that radiation has a specific wavelength and it has specific time period also, and we consider 1 second as the 9192,631,770 times time period. The time required for that number of time period of that wavelength is considered as 1 second. Next is electric current. So how to define the unit of electric current? It is in ampere. So as we know that when two wire infinite length carrying current in same direction, let's consider as I. Both of them is carrying same current I in the same direction, and these two wires placed in vacuum. So when those two were separated by a 1 meter distance, then there is a force of attraction between these two wires. So when that force when F per unit meter is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton per meter, then that amount of current is known as 1 ampere. So when there is a current passing through both of these wire, same current, and both of wire are separated by 1 meter distance and placed parallelly, and their force per unit length attraction between these two wire is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 Newton per meter, then that amount of current is known as 1 ampere. Okay, next is temperature. So this temperature we define from our water's triple point. As we know, water's triple point is water triple point is the point or the temperature at which water liquid, water vapor and water ice, 3 of the phases coexist at the same temperature. That is 273.16 Kelvin. At that temperature, water exists as a vapor, liquid and also in solid phase. So we take 1 Kelvin as 1 by 273.16. This is our 1 Kelvin. So next is amount of substance. So to find the unit for this amount of substance in the unit of mole. We define as 1 mole is equal to number of atom present in carbon 12 in 12 gram. 12 gram of carbon 12 we take, and the number of atom present in that substance is the 1 mole, and it is also known as, and this amount is 6.022 into 10 power 23. This approximate will come this number, 10 power 6.022 into 10 power 23, and this is also known as Avogadro's number and denoted by N. This is also known as Avogadro number. And this luminous intensity, its SI unit is candela.